Have you ever wondered what makes Slovenian desserts so special? Why do they have such a unique appeal? Well, let's embark on a sweet journey into the heart of Slovenia's culinary heritage. Slovenian desserts are not just about indulging the sweet tooth, they are a testament to the country's rich history and traditions. Imagine recipes passed down through generations, each one carrying a tale of its own. Slovenian desserts are a delightful blend of flavors and textures, often filled with a surprising twist that sets them apart. Take, for instance, the famous potica, a traditional Slovenian dessert that enjoys a protected status under the traditional specialty guaranteed scheme, or the delicious prekmurska gibanica, a multi-layered pastry that is as complex in its making as it is delightful in its taste. These desserts showcase the Slovenian spirit of innovation and respect for tradition, and each one tells a story of its own. So are you ready to taste these sweet narratives? Stay tuned as we delve into the sweet world of Slovenian desserts one by one. First on our list is the famous potica, a dessert that truly encapsulates Slovenian tradition. This pastry is not just a dessert, but a symbol of Slovenian heritage, a sweet testament to the country's rich history and culinary prowess. Potica, pronounced as potit sa, has been an integral part of Slovenian cuisine for centuries. It's a rolled pastry with a variety of fillings, a tradition that dates back to the 18th century. It's so revered in Slovenia that it's protected under the traditional specialty guaranteed scheme, a testament to its cultural and historical significance. Now, let's delve into the heart of potica, its ingredients. The pastry is made from a thin, elastic dough, typically prepared from wheat or buckwheat flour. The filling, however, is where the magic truly happens. It can vary from sweet to savory, with the most traditional being walnut. Other popular fillings include poppy seeds, tarragon, chives, and even cracklings. Each filling imparts a unique flavor profile, making every bite of potica a delightful surprise. The process of preparing potica is both an art and a labor of love. The dough is rolled out thinly, spread with the desired filling, and then carefully rolled up into a log. This log is then placed into a specially shaped baking mold, typically a circular one, giving potica its characteristic spiral appearance when sliced. But potica is more than just a dessert. It's a centerpiece of Slovenian celebrations, a sweet treat shared with loved ones during holidays, birthdays, and other special occasions. It's a dessert that brings people together, a symbol of unity and shared heritage. In a world where food trends come and go, potica stands the test of time, remaining a beloved staple in Slovenian cuisine. It's a sweet reminder of the country's rich history, a culinary tradition passed down through generations. Potica, a dessert that is not just a treat for the taste buds, but also a symbol of Slovenian heritage. Scene script. Next up, let's explore the layers of the delicious prekmurska gibanica. This dessert is a culinary gem from the Prekmurje region in Slovenia, renowned for its unique layered structure. The beauty of prekmurska gibanica lies in its rich composition, a symphony of flavors that unfolds with every mouthful. Stepping back in time, prekmurska gibanica was traditionally prepared during major festivals and celebrations. Over the years, it has transformed into an everyday dessert, leaving its mark on Slovenian tables and hearts alike. The real magic of prekmurska gibanica lies in its ingredients. Imagine a dessert with not one, not two, but 4 different fillings. Yes, you heard right. Poppy seeds, cottage cheese, apples and walnuts, each with their own layer, contribute to the complex flavor profile of this dessert. The preparation of prekmurska gibanica is an art in itself. The process begins with a thin layer of strudel dough, which is then generously filled with the first filling. Another layer of dough is added, followed by the next filling, and so on until all 4 fillings have been used. The final touch is a sprinkling of sugar and cream on top of the last layer of dough, baked to golden perfection. What sets prekmurska gibanica apart is its versatility. It can be served warm or cold, as a breakfast treat, a dessert, or even a savory snack. The layered structure allows the flavors to mingle, creating a unique taste sensation with every bite. In 2010, prekmurska gibanica was recognized by the European Union as a protected traditional specialty, further cementing its status as a beloved Slovenian dessert. Prekmurska gibanica, a dessert that offers a surprise in every bite. Moving on to a dessert that is as sweet as it sounds, Slovenian honey bread. This delightful dessert hails from the heart of Slovenia, a place where honey is not just a sweetener but a symbol of love and prosperity. Slovenian honey bread, also known as medenjaki, is a testament to the country's deep-rooted beekeeping tradition. The recipe for this sweet treat is relatively simple but rich in flavor. The primary ingredients are honey, flour, spices, and a touch of baking soda. But what sets it apart is the generous drizzle of Slovenian honey that infuses the bread with its distinctive sweet and floral note. Other ingredients, such as cloves, cinnamon, and nutmeg, are added to give the bread a warm, spicy undertone, creating a harmonious blend of flavors that dance on your tongue. Preparing Slovenian honey bread is a process steeped in tradition. The dough is made by mixing flour, honey, and spices, then left to rest overnight. This resting period allows the flavors to meld together, enhancing the taste of the final product. Once the dough is ready, it's rolled out, cut into shapes, and baked until golden brown. The result is a sweet, aromatic bread with a slightly crunchy exterior and a soft, moist interior. But the Slovenian honey bread is more than just a dessert. It's a symbol of celebration, often baked for special occasions like Christmas, birthdays, and weddings. This honey-infused bread is a way for Slovenians to share their love and joy with others, making every bite a celebration of life's sweet moments. In essence, Slovenian honey bread is a testament to Slovenia's love for honey and its importance in their culture. It's a dessert that perfectly encapsulates the country's tradition and hospitality. So next time you have a celebration, why not add a touch of Slovenian sweetness to it with some honey bread? Slovenian honey bread, a dessert that brings sweetness to every celebration. Last but not least, we have the hearty Slovenian buckwheat spoon bread. This traditional dessert comes with a rich history, deeply rooted in the agrarian culture of Slovenia. This country, known for its diverse landscape, also boasts an impressive variety of grains, among which buckwheat prominently stands out. Slovenian buckwheat spoon bread, locally known as ajdov kru s smetano, is a testament to the ingenious use of this humble grain. Buckwheat, being a hearty and robust grain, lends a unique texture to this dessert that's unlike any other. It's slightly gritty, yet soft and comforting, a culinary paradox that only this spoon bread can masterfully handle. But what makes this dessert truly stand out is its simplicity. The primary ingredients are buckwheat flour, cream, and eggs. The cream lends a velvety richness, while the eggs give structure and lightness to the spoon bread. A touch of sweetness is added, not to overwhelm, but to gently enhance the natural nutty flavors of the buckwheat. Preparation of this dessert is similarly straightforward. The buckwheat flour is slowly toasted until it reaches a beautiful deep brown color, releasing an earthy, aromatic scent. The toasted flour is then combined with the cream and eggs, forming a smooth batter. This is then baked until it puffs up into a light, yet satisfyingly hearty spoon bread. The result is a dessert that's not overly sweet, but packed with flavors that speak of the Slovenian countryside, earthy, hearty, and comforting. It's a dessert that you can enjoy at any time of the day, from a quick breakfast to a satisfying end to a dinner feast. The Slovenian buckwheat spoon bread is more than just a dessert. It's a reflection of the country's tradition and resourcefulness, turning simple ingredients into something truly unique and delightful. And while it may not have the fame of potica or the layers of Prekmurska gibanica, its charm lies in its simplicity and heartiness. Slovenian buckwheat spoon bread, a dessert that combines tradition and heartiness. As we come to the end of our sweet journey, it's clear that Slovenian desserts are truly special. We began with the unique world of Slovenian desserts, each revealing a story of tradition and culinary craftsmanship. The famous potica, a dessert so special it's protected under the traditional specialty guaranteed scheme with its myriad fillings, is a testament to the country's inventive spirit. Then, we explored the delicious Prekmurska gibanica, a multi-layered pastry that embodies Slovenia's love for rich, indulgent sweets. Not to forget the Slovenian honey bread, a dessert that carries the essence of Slovenia's renowned beekeeping heritage in every bite. Lastly, we savored the Slovenian buckwheat spoon bread, a humble yet delectable dessert that showcases the country's penchant for wholesome, hearty ingredients. Each dessert, with its unique flavors and textures, paints a vivid picture of Slovenia's rich culinary landscape. Thank you for joining us on this delicious journey through Slovenian desserts. We hope it has left you with a sweet craving to explore more of Slovenia's culinary delights.